So if you are planning to work on 16x2 LCD and interfacing it to a Raspberry Pi, so you can use this code from the Adafruit, and in their repository you have the following code. So we will post this link in our description section. You can have a look. So now here you can download the zip and you extract it. You see the following files. So we have put it in a particular folder inside our repository, inside our directory, and you see here we are going to change the open the command prompt and you can change it to this particular folder. Once this is changed, okay, you can run the setup.py. There is a setup.py, okay, sudo python 3 and install. Okay, you can see here it runs. So the first thing, we are going to install the packages which will help us run. So this is finished. Once this is done, we can go to your Thorny IDE. So you can open from your programming if you have already installed. So this is the Thorny IDE, and you will have this particular window open. Now you can load from whatever files. Click on load in Thorny IDE, and you can see here in char sp there is a file called char_lcd.py. You can open this, and this particular file opens up. Here you configure your pinout as per your requirement. So in our requirement, we have connected register select to GPIO26, enable to GPIO19, and so on. So you can configure as per the connections we have done, and columns and rows are mentioned, and we are using the inbuilt function of the package adafruit_char lcd, and passing all these parameters. So this basically initializes the LCD, and then we are printing LCD.message, and we are waiting for 3 seconds. So actually comment is 5 seconds, but this is actually 3 seconds, and then we are trying to print clear and then show the cursor, and we are printing loading, and then again keeping it in sleep mode, and you can see here, and then we are actually again clearing it and just pray. So you can write whatever you want. So this is the initialization, the initialization function that is used, and post that you can print whatever you want. So we just printed what we want, and if you want to print on the first row, so lcd.set_cursor of this is the column, and this is the row number. So we are actually on the leftmost of the LCD first row, and we are printing welcome to, and we are setting the cursor to 0, 1. That means leftmost in the second row, and we are printing way to know. So this is how the code is written. Okay, now if we see on the board the connections, we'll get to know how it is connected. In this video, we can see the connections. So this is a Raspberry Pi, and this is 16x2 LCD, and we also have a port here to set the contrast. So the connections from the GPIO header of Raspberry Pi are connected to the 16x2 LCD. So now let us just try to run the program. So what we'll do is we are just running the program. You can see here whatever is there on the code, it's just getting printed. Okay, so welcome to way to know, and then we have goodbye. So this is how the code is printed. So you can see the Raspberry Pi 3 is used here, and this is a 16x2 LCD with the backlight. So these are the connections, and we'll also post the connections and all the data in the in our blog. The blog link will also be posted.